You thought a heated seat was the only upgrade your bathroom needed? You are seriously mistaken. The next level of hygiene, luxury, and technology is sitting right here, and after testing dozens, we've narrowed it down. We're ranking the top 8 smart toilet seats of the year, from the best value to the absolute feature-packed throne. And remember, the links to all the products are listed in the video description, so hurry and get them now while the offers still stand. Kicking off our list at number 8 is the Vipbear Smart Toilet. This unit is currently priced at just $223.99, proving you can get high-end automation features without dropping $1,000. What lands the Vipbear on our list is its almost unbelievable dedication to being hands-free. We're talking full-motion sensor control, the lid auto-opens and auto-flushes when you leave, all without you ever needing to touch a thing. This automation, combined with a comforting heated seat and a whisper-quiet operation, is gold at this price. The major caveat? It does not include a bidet, but for pure, silent, hands-free automation, the Vipbear is the king of entry-level. Jumping up to number 7, we have the WITMYA Smart Toilet. This is currently priced at $399.99. This is where the game changes, because the WITMYA introduces the full luxury experience. You get a complete bidet system with massage modes, but the feature that truly elevates it is the foam shield technology. This creates a protective, splash-preventing layer inside the bowl, a major hygiene upgrade often reserved for much more expensive models. It's the true entry point for affordable, full-featured luxury. Hold on, we need to talk about the value monster at number 6, the EPLO Smart Toilet E16. This is priced at $569.96, and we were genuinely shocked. It includes 2 features you usually only find in the $1,000 club. It gives you instant warm water, no more waiting, and it includes automatic deodorization. Plus, you get a self-cleaning bidet wand. If your budget is strict but you absolutely demand those instantaneous comfort features, the E16 is the best bang for your buck on this entire list. Breaking into the true mid-tier, at number 5 is the EPLO DP7 Smart Toilet. Priced at $699.99, the EPLO is where the engineering steps up with a tankless design. This makes it sleek and gives you a powerful siphonic jet flush without waiting for a tank to refill. It also adds a crucial backup battery system. So even during a power outage, you can still operate the flush, a huge peace of mind feature that justifies the jump in cost. Sliding into the number 4 spot is the EPLO IX7 Luxury Smart Toilet. This is priced at $799.99. The IX7 is the ultimate feature consolidator. It gives you both of the most critical mid-range features, the powerful tankless siphonic jet flush, and the foam shield technology for maximum hygiene. This is the best value smart toilet on the market that includes virtually every highly desirable feature, all in one sleek package. We are now crossing into the 4-figure bracket at number 3 with the HOROW Artistic Smart Toilet HRT38. It's priced at $999. This is the toilet that solves the problem of low water pressure. Unlike the tankless models, the HOROW uses a built-in water tank and pump to ensure you get an incredibly powerful flush even if your home's pressure is weak. It also delivers true luxury with automatic deodorization and an instant warm water bidet, making it the top choice for powerful, reliable performance. Coming in hot at number 2, our ultimate performance pick is the EPLO Smart Toilet Bidet U8 Max. It is priced at $1,299.96. This is where we talk about best-in-class performance thanks to its 1000 GLR MAP rating. That score is the maximum possible. This toilet is engineered to clear anything and everything. It combines that top-tier power with the foam shield, deodorization, and the tank and pump system. The U8 Max is the top choice for anyone who demands maximum, quantifiable clearing performance. And here we are at the undisputed number 1 spot. It's the Kohler Leap One-Piece Smart Toilet, priced at $2,499.97. When you pay this price, you get the ultimate commitment to hygiene. The stainless steel wand sanitizes itself with UV light every 24 hours. This isn't just self-cleaning. This is professional-grade sanitation built into your home. The Kohler Leap combines that unmatched feature with a flawless one-piece tankless design and the premium brand recognition. making it the one smart toilet that leaves no feature or design detail untouched. And there you have it, definitive ranking of the top 8 smart toilet seats on the market. From the amazing value of the Vipbear, all the way up to the ultimate luxury and UV sanitation of the Kohler Leap, there truly is a smart toilet for every budget. No matter which one you choose, you are giving your bathroom the ultimate, most deserved upgrade. If you found the perfect throne for your home, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews, and thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.